You do realize it has voice too, right?
Hey, are you recording? Oh my god, Mo, I thought you were taking a picture. You dumb.
I'm not dumb.
Where's everybody? This is why you don't have car washes unless you know everyone's gonna be here at nighttime. Oh where has my car gone? Why aren't they at Carlos Jr.? We got a car wash to do and there's no time to lose. Oh where did they go?
Don't take up Denisha, she's gonna kill you.
Oh where could they be? It's almost 10 o'clock and we gotta get started. And our signs aren't even here.
It's almost 10 o'clock.
That's what I said!